All right, this is this is Liberty stock number 51408, 50-ton Hannifin model OGF-50, serial number T6697. That's it.
And there it is, yeah.
Yep.
Got it up front. There's some dies in there.
Yeah.
Pneumatic, as long as you're standing here, the pneumatic package. In fact, the air is on, and I can show you that straight away without the motor running, which is this valve right there. It's all or nothing. Now, if I do anti-tie down, there's one on the Humphreys valves.
Okay.
And then two. So it's doing what it's supposed to do. You do need anti-tie down.
Yeah, that's right.
And die. Stop bar, and we're going up. In fact, that's where we're at. We could go another 3 inches maybe. Just adjust the bar.
Okay.
Main disconnect, motor start stop, and transformer. There's some documentation there, electrical drawings and hydraulic schematic with setting procedures on there. So that's nice to
Good.
have. And then just the SN here, pump motor, and we were up on the sight gauge for the oil. New solenoid valve up there. Okay, we just fired it up, this is what we got. So here's the airline coming into the air package down here.
All right, let's just...
Well, I just noticed the counter was working. We were at 2,222,000. So yeah, again, this is just up and down is all that is. I'll power up the motor and we'll go.